Hi guys, here's a quick review on this TY Beanie Baby 2005 Muff the Cat plush. Without further ado, let's get on with the review. Here's the tag, very nice. Here's the back of the tag, very cute and adorable. There's the ribbon. It says down to the bottom it says Muff. Pretty cool. It says copyright 2004 Thai ink. The PE pellets. Pretty nice. Well, technically this plush is from 2005. So we're going to go with 2005, believe it or not, guys. So, alright. Yeah, this item has crystal blue eyes. Look at that. Or ocean eyes, believe it or not. So, yeah. It's so beanie. There's the tail, the feet, there's the face, the ears. Pretty nice. Pretty cool fur on this plush. Very nice. There's the tag, there's the back. Very nice. Set the camera down. Let me show you what the tag looks like. Alright, we got the tag opened. There we go. There's actually a few more cats of this that has this. It says, here we go, Muff. Date of birth, November 20th, 2004. Get some string or a mouse toy, and we can play around the house. We can do tons of cool stuff with my best friends, Pluff and Fluff. Those are the other two that I need, Pluff and Muff. So yeah, those are the. There you go. Tag is in. So here we go. Let's finish with the review. Very nice. There's the feet. Pretty cool. Here is like this. And the back. And like this. Pretty nice. Here she is up top. And then the bottom. And like this. The whiskers are in their face. Nose is plastic too. In the color in her eyes. Fur is so soft. There's the paws. Pretty nice. The big old tail. Pretty cute. Very adorable looking plush. And very, very nice. Very nice and white looking cat. And that's it. Alright guys, that's the quick review on this TY Beanie Baby 2005 Muff the Cat plush. Alright guys, bye.